Okay, this is going to be a cabin room tour of 7232 on Freedom of the Seas. This is a spacious ocean view balcony. I believe it's a category 4D. So let me take you inside and show you around. So here we have closet space, hangers, there's a safe, plenty of shelving. Entering in here, there's a vanity with more drawers and storage. Printed cruise compass. They have 2 face masks, some hand sanitizer, which is branded, and some other details, but not a ton of paperwork. You can see here there is a volume switch if you want to hear the announcements in your room, European plug, chair, more storage. Looks like there is a mini fridge in here, electrical outlets with North American plugs, flat panel TV, there's me in the mirror, and you can see the beautiful king size bed with huge pillows. It's got some paperwork here for me. I purchased an internet package, so it's got details on redeeming that. You've got your little side tables, phone, and out here is the balcony. So I will just open this up so you can get a look. We're here in Port Miami, just got on board the ship, and I wanted to give you the tour before I settled in, but we've got 2 chairs that looks like they have some sort of reclining feature and a table. Nice big balcony, not too cramped. I guess that's where the spacious part comes in. But here's the bed again, and nice size sofa, and then a full length mirror where you can see yourself head to toe as you're getting ready for dinner. Climate control for the room, and here is the bathroom. Looks like it has a hard plastic or glass enclosure instead of a attacking shower curtain. You have a single sink and a toilet. You've got some glasses, some towels, some toilet paper, a little trash bin. And that is the room tour of the Royal Caribbean Freedom of the Seas spacious ocean view balcony, which I'm going to be in for the next 4 nights as we sail out of Miami and visit Nassau in the Bahamas and Perfect Day at Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's premier private island. And this is one of the first half-dozen cruises to depart out of the US since COVID came on board. So this is a new frontier. I'm going to be documenting the rest of the trip. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, like this video, and check out the other videos I'm going to tape on board Freedom of the Seas this week. Thanks.